Yeah, hello, my dear. Happy welcome to our Global Peace Building Network 1 year PhD. Today we are now in the third month. We start with AI, artificial intelligence, and this is very important to understand about the future, about how it will be, and to apply already in our life because it will help. Artificial intelligence will help to how to say, you see already the e-government, and the government is connected with the population, and everything will connect and reach with the poor and others. So there will go less borders. There is like you could speak with anyone. There will be even more this kind of technological miracles in the past in the future, because God make this universe for us unlimited. So we study it together, and we study it is 1 hour greatest intensive few times per week, just for you to understand what was you past, what you learned till now, and how to apply it right now, today, tomorrow, in your life, in your family, community, country, the world. Make peace, make your business, make you anything, your organization, and just build peace there. We really empower you to real substantial instruments and teaching that we was researching all our lives, and it is research from the science, religion, artificial intelligence, anything what human can develop till now. We research it and make it in one course. So most important, subscribe to the Happy TV channel and share this PhD program with all your friends and families. Let everyone, there is few thousands empty places, they could join and rejoice together, and more together, like collective mind, more people together, more good together, because we want it or not, we are all 8 billion plus people on the earth, like interconnected by internet and also by feelings. There is happen something in the world. We try to understand what is happening there, and everything is interconnected, and it will be even more transparent. So let me invite our great teacher, Ambassador Ismail, with the presentation for today, and then we will have the question answer session and all other great things that you love. Stay till the end and subscribe to the channel. Okay, Ambassador Ismail, please start.
Okay, thank you so much, and I myself welcome to all of you for tonight's session, which is regarding introduction to artificial intelligence. So here we'd like to start our tonight's session. We'll go ahead with the slides. So as you all, everyone know about artificial intelligence, that what it works in our daily communication or being communicated with each other. There is a definition and key functions and also importance of artificial intelligence. First of everything, in introduction, I would like to say that artificial intelligence is a multidisciplinary field of computer science focused on creating systems such they are capable for performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include with their reasoning, learning, problem solving, and perception, and language understanding. So, artificial intelligence also has significantly evolved over the past decades, and revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, finance, education, and even security and peace that we will study in our next sessions. So, fundamentals of artificial intelligence. In this case, I would like to say about definitions and with the AI, like artificial intelligence is the field of computer science. Like it only will require human intelligence. And on the other hand, key functions and introduction, I said that learning, reasoning, and problem solving, perception, and language processing. These are the key functions in artificial intelligence. And on the other hand, also I mentioned about the importance of artificial intelligence, like AI is revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, finance, security, and education. So we'll go ahead. There are some fundamentals of artificial intelligence, such as types of artificial intelligence. We had some types, like first of all, I would like to say about fundamentals of artificial intelligence. Like AI operates based on algorithms and computational models, and also data-driven techniques, such as that they are enable machines to learn from experience and improve over time. And the best example is like when you are chatting with ChatGPT, it memorize everything, and it will get your information well driven and saved. After sometimes you may ask the ChatGPT the tell about me, then ChatGPT will provide you the example of your thoughts, and the thoughts you shared with it, and etc. So that is the best example. And here we will study just the two primary types of AI in the era. The first one is narrow AI or weak AI. It means such a designed for a specific tasks, such as virtual assessments. We have this assistants and Siri. Those who have iPhone and powered by Apple. So at that time, you may call your Siri. That Siri call to that number or that name. Siri will directly call, or Alexa and recommendation systems. That are only the narrow artificial intelligence. And secondly, you'll have the generic or the general artificial intelligence. And general artificial intelligence or strong AI, like hypothetical artificial intelligence that can perform an intellectual tasks or a human can do. While these level of artificial intelligence not yet exist, such a research continues in this direction. So I will also share the sources of tokenization in our WhatsApp group. So here, as how AI works, I also mentioned about the algorithms, large data set, and computational models to learn from experience. I also mentioned it in introduction, and that is a good example of working artificial intelligence. So we'll go ahead with the history and evaluation of artificial intelligence. So here is also a definition in the history of artificial intelligence, that it started from where or which decade and up to current, how much evaluation has been processed. So in definition, I would like to mention that AI is broadly defined as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. It has been defined by McCarthy in 1956. So it also combines such disciplines like computer science and neuroscience, mathematics, and also I'd like to mention about the cognitive psychology. So according to the history and evaluation, in history, I pointed out from 1950 century up to 1960. So at that time, the foundational work in began with the Alan Turing proposing such a Turing test in 1950 by John McCarthy, which coined the term of artificial intelligence just in 1956. So following that all in 1970 up to 1980 century, the AI winter period due to limited computational power and funding. And in 1990 up to 2000 century, the resurgence of artificial intelligence and advancement in machine learning, and also with the neural networks has evolution. At the 2010 up to present that we are living, and we all have um, uh, a hand over ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Canva, and CapCut AI mode, and those machines like vehicles which are controlled by artificial intelligence, we have it in present, like rapid progress in artificial intelligence driven by deep learning. So with big data and powerful GPUs, vehicles and medical diagnostics, and also advanced robotics that are in the present world. With So we go ahead with the key subfields of artificial intelligence. So there are also key subfields of artificial intelligence like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, and also robotics. So you all will familiar with these words, but we will study it theoretically. After that, we will also implement these words practically. So in machine learning or ML, algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed, and that is being said by Mitchell in 1997. So following that, we have deep learning or DL, a subset of ML using artificial neural networks to recognize patterns in large database. When there are large database, the neural network will recognize the patterns. So thirdly, we also have natural language processing, like artificial intelligence systems that understand and interpret and generate human language. So that is NLP. And follow that, computer vision. In computer vision, artificial intelligence also ability to process and analyze visual data, enabling such a facial recognition and object detection. And finally, with the robotics, you may also see these robots in television and even in some robotic laboratory, an artificial intelligence driven by machines capable of performing tasks in industries such as manufacturing and healthcare. In healthcare, as life example, in China nowadays, it is a rumor that there are a lot of doctors which they are using from artificial intelligence and recognition of diagnosis and healthcare, and also with disease and treatment of ill people. So we'll go ahead with one of the best section, which is artificial intelligence versus human intelligence. That is question which is asked in our last session as well. So that human intelligence versus artificial intelligence, I would like to say, while artificial intelligence can process vast amount of data faster than human, it also lacks of creativity, emotional intelligence, and general problem-solving abilities. And some key differences, like I provided here, that are included in speed and efficiency. Like artificial intelligence can analyze massive data sets quickly, whereas human rely on cognitive processing. And one thing more that I always verified that, and I'm emphasizing about that, that is that artificial intelligence doesn't have any logic, but human intelligence is completely with logic and decision making and everything. So this is a big distinguish. So in adaptability, human possess general intelligence and can adapt to new situations, while AI is limited to its programming. That is another distinguish, which is a big distinguish in adaptability. So, in creativity and emotion, AI lacks human like creativity, emotions, and ethical reasoning, while human can do ethical reasoning, but AI doesn't have it. And finally, decision making. In decision making, I would like to say that AI is data driven, while human use intuition, experience, and emotion in decision making. But AI doesn't have that capability to do that. And AI is a tool that enhance human capabilities but cannot fully replace human intelligence. So that was the end of uh, human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. And now we are coming with a conclusion in the future of artificial intelligence. So, I would like to say that artificial intelligence has transformed numerous industries, offering immense potential for the future innovation. Like while it excel in data processing and also automation and its limitations, with the comparing of human intelligence, and highlight the need for ethical artificial intelligence, also develop and responsible development as AI continues to evolve, balancing its capabilities and with the human oversight will be crucial for a successful future. And at the end, I would like to mention about the only point that I pointed out in our tonight session, that artificial intelligence doesn't have logic, but human intelligence is full of logic and decision making and everything. Human intelligence is better than artificial intelligence. It's okay that artificial intelligence will have quickly working, will have advantage with the design, with the everything. But remember one thing, that artificial intelligence doesn't have any logic. You can test it in chat gpt, deepseek and canva and everything, or every apps which is powered by artificial intelligence. You can test that. So thank you so much for hearing me. For tonight's we will not have any discussion, but only we'll go with the asking question session because of lack of time. So we will have questions from those who is raising their hand and who have their questions. Me and Dr. Nicola are here to answer your questions. Please raise your hand. Okay, Emmanuel, you can ask your question.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for the lecture. Thank you for the time. And I want to say thank you for the presentation. But what I want to ask is there any material for us, like lesson that we can be reading through, or will it be at the end of the class?
Yeah, I will share the sources in the book that we are using from our PPT. So I will share that book in our WhatsApp group just tonight.
Okay. So will it be in line with the other, will it be like the other courses too that they have been teaching too?
Sorry, I didn't catch your question.
Yeah, what I'm saying, the other courses too, will they share that own material also?
Yeah, at all. With all materials will be included on that book. We are just using one source, and I will upload that book in the group.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Any other question do we have?
Yes, I have another question. I'm not using computer, I'm using phone. Can I still work with the system to create some work too?
Please repeat your question.
Yeah, what I said I'm not using computer. So can I still use my Android phone to do the work that I want to do as the computer?
Yes, at all. There are many apps which is powered with a computer system and mobile phones. You can use that like Microsoft Office and those apps which is related to a computer, but on the same time also work in Android phone. Muqaddas
Okay, thank
Hafizi,
you very much, sir.
you're welcome.
Yes,
Gurjun,
almost. Wait a second. Almost all the application that how to say you have in the phone, they are in the web browser. In the web browser, like Chrome or Opera or other, they have web version. So it's the same, like ChatGPT and all others. They have their Canva. Everything is there in the web. all of them, just few maybe, but usually as a measure are there. ChatGPT, Canva, everything is there on the computer. You could use artificial intelligence at maximum at computer, and yeah, for different reasons, like for different tasks, to how to say, to use it more, how to say, professional. For example, Canva, you need computer, big screen, and all, so it is there. It is, and also like I'm how to say, webmaster doing web masters, and you know, the all of these application that you have in the phones, they are like websites, but remake it for the phones. So originally everything, even WhatsApp, it is a web that is remake it to the web chat, to remake it to the app. So just if the company, if they don't want to be on the computers, they do just app. But usually for the core, for the all apps, there is a web. Okay. Yeah, please, Ismail, Eskaza.
Okay, Muqaddas Hafizi.
Okay, teacher. Great and respected. I hope with the will of Allah you are doing well and good healthy. My question is about how can AI algorithm help business make better decisions, and what are the difference between machines learning and deep learning?
Sorry, I didn't catch your last points, but I would like to say in the AI in decision making, while you are addicted and you are spending more time with artificial intelligence with the same apps for a long time, then that app will catch your driven data at all, and it will make good decision for you. Such you are using ChatGPT. While you ask ChatGPT that who am I, that will directly say that you are Muqaddas Hafizi. At that time, it is possible that to work clearly in decision making with a sense of you. Like when you use some information more in ChatGPT or any other app of AI, that will empower with decision making. But while you install ChatGPT for the first time and you ask ChatGPT that who am I, it will directly respond you that I don't know you, that who you are. So it just go with the spending more time with the apps. So I like to Truffle Foundation.
I'm Felicia. I'm sure Dr. Nicholas from Cameroon. I had been struggling to. This is one of my first classes because network had always been a problem, and time factor also. I didn't master the time, so it's a great pleasure joining you, and I really want to first of all appreciate the course because the AI is a topic, is something that we have done a workshop, train some youths and women to use like the canvas, use the AI in order to for marketing strategies to sell their products and do other things. And I really appreciate the differences you've brought between artificial intelligence and human intelligence. Is quite interesting to me. But one thing I want to ask, is it possible to have the content of the course so that we can easily, like those of us, like in Camora, I said, we usually have network issues. So that even if we are not there, we can follow up the class by reading. I don't know, my worry, my problem is if we can have the course content.
Okay, I will share the course content, which is a book on artificial intelligence, and those who have just starting information with the computers, so they can
Okay.
follow that. And I will share the book in our WhatsApp group.
Okay.
That is the full content that we are following from our, and also with the
Okay.
sharing of presentations that every
Yes.
night we are following on our weekly intensive training.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And also, you mentioned about your network. So every night when we have sessions, that is being recorded by Dr. Nicola and uploaded on Happy TV News. You can watch our full video asking questions session and lecturing,
Okay,
explaining presentation on YouTube.
okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, Sadaf Hosseini.
Yes, you see on Happy TV News, we have all the presentations and the video, and also you could see there the captions and all the details, and you could study it like step by step what was talking about, and all the details is there. You could get everything like all the details what is about, and you could listen it 20,000 20 times, and understand from the A to Z, and homework is there, just everything is video documented, not just paper. So and you could watch it on TV, on your phone, on the PC, everywhere. Yeah, Ismail.
Okay, thank you so much. So, Emmanuel, do you have any question?
Yes, the next question I want to ask, the schedule for the classes, is it every day or how many times a week? And what is the time? Because I'm in Liberia, so I have to know the time because sometimes I can miss the class.
Okay, we just have 3 sessions per week. Like we had it in 1st March, now we had it in 3rd March, and also we'll have the second on the 5th March.
Yeah, which one is the first month?
On the 1st March, we had the introduction of our course policy, which is already uploaded on Happy TV News YouTube channel.
Yeah, what I'm asking is the days of the week that we need to have the classes. Is it from Monday to Saturday, or is it 3 times per week?
So I would like to call Mr. Dr. Nicola to answer this question.
Yet it is
Yeah.
3 times per week, and
Okay, so
also
what are the days, sir?
uh, there is usually a Monday, and after second day, like every day. Emmanuel, please mute yourself because it's phoning. And mute yourself. Okay. Okay, so it's 3 times per week, and usually it's like Monday, and next is Wednesday, and next is Friday. So it's something like this. Also, in WhatsApp group, there's all information Ambassador Ismail is putting from the morning, so you already could get ready. And time is the same for same time, same. You just watch now that you watch the clock, the phone, and put the phone for the 5th of March. Set up the clock to wake you wake up for the training. Okay. Yeah, Ismail, let's we go for that.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Ismail, can you go forward?
So thank you so much all, as we are with the lack of time, and you may have a lot of questions. So please, you ask your questions on WhatsApp group. Your 7 per 25 of 24 hours available on WhatsApp. You already have our numbers and our ambassadors' numbers, and you can message me and Dr. Nicola with your answers. And also, I will share the homework with you. And our next session will be on 5th March on the same time. So I will share the data and the content of our sessions and artificial intelligence and WhatsApp group. Thank you so much and have a good night.
Our goodbye.
Okay, here you see that in the Happy TV News there is a special playlist. You just go there. I will send the link, and all the courses, all the lectures are already there. It is shortlist like PhD, so you could listen it there. All the lectures are there. You see, all the this year and last year, everything what we did is there in the PhD. Hello, my dear. So all the students just everything study there and share it with all your friends. Okay, so with the homework also will be there in the WhatsApp group. Everything in WhatsApp group. Just when you get the idea, questions, just ask there or ask us directly. And the presentations you saw there, everything in the Happy TV News, PhD playlist, and homework is to share this message to billions, these courses to how to say PhD for free with all your friends. Let them. We have few thousand empty places, so Kahan, Rosemary, Sonita, Tere Foundation, Makas, Amina, Sadaf, Marva, Maria, Sadam, Barsa, Sarah, Satania, Benazir came tomorrow, 5th of the March, with all your friends, at least 10 friends. All of you are in the students group, WhatsApp group. Share it in WhatsApp group. Let the every day Ambassador Ismail is sending this invitation with the Google Meet link. So share them and let them everybody join, because together we could do much more work, like collective mind. And we really want to empower you, because when is more people, more interesting. Yeah, thank you very much, Marva and Kainat, for liking Mokadas. Yes, and all others. Sarai. Yes, we rejoice together. Really, we are spending quite a lot of time and all our life, and study all human development to teach you, to give you the best from the best of the teaching of education. So just very important, came on time. Just right now, check the time. Put alarm clock 1 hour earlier, and it doesn't matter which country you are, and came there. If you don't know the time when, just chat us and we will reply. Okay, so really embrace you. See you 5th. Bye bye. Bonsoir, and subscribe to Happy TV News and share this message to billions. PhD for free.